Right, let's kick this off. Long time no see. Don't know if you can remember. You probably can't, but I'm Driver Joe. Nice to meet you all again. You might know me from such videos as I get my minibus license, I get my HGV license. Oh, this keeps on bending. Now, it's all changed for me over the past couple of months. Since March, I have been a taxi driver. I am now a black Hackney taxi driver. Give up Uber, give up everything, just do this now. This is absolutely terrible. I need to pull over. My things just fell. Right. Make this safe. Let's make this shit safe. Okay, it's working. Don't know how long it's going to work for. If it comes off again, we'll scrap this video for now. I think the problem is how high I've got my phone. Do you know what? Let's not even worry about that. Let's just stop what I'm doing. So, as you can see, taxi driver now. The reason I haven't done a video in such a long time is, I'll be honest, I started to feel uncomfortable. People were coming up to me and talking to me. I don't mind talking to people. I just find it very difficult talking to people like face to face. And I find it hard to keep up a conversation, especially with people I don't know. It's not that I think I'm better than anyone, because that's not the case. It's just I find it difficult to make conversation. That's about it. But I have missed doing YouTube, and I want to do more videos. I want to do more about what I'm doing now, and I want to take you through my day more than just, here I am, I'm going to work, put my meter on, this is how much I've made today. Because it is what it is. One day I could do £1 million, the next day I could do £2. It all depends. So we're going to start a new video focusing on me and taxis and more travel from places. Very much thinking about getting a camera in the window screen so you can see my point of view, what I'm looking at all the time. Who knows, I might even start twitching it and YouTube live in it, just in the taxi, just driving around. Well, you won't be seeing my ugly mug. You'll be seeing the road, you'll be seeing Liverpool, you'll be seeing other places again. But anyway, this video today, it's all about my taxi. So this is my taxi. I've just bought this for the bargain price of £1,200. So the equivalent of, give or take, $1,500. Yeah, so just bought it. It's not the best cab in the world, but it's mine. So we're gonna have a quick look. Let's have a look what £1,500 can buy, yeah. There we go. So it can buy your lecky doors, it can buy your heating, it can buy your air conditioner. The last taxi I rented never even had that. So let's see what £1,500 has bought. So here we go, just put that on today. That's rubbish. There's my taxi. As you can see by the mileage, it's done just over 300,000 miles. It's got no taximeter, it's got no wrap light, or grape light. So that needs replacing. It's got my wheelchair straps down there. So let's actually have a look. So it's driving okay. It just needs some glow plugs. And there's the back. Let's get in the back. So here we go. This is my taxi. Let's have a look at the bodywork. It's a bit banged up, it's a bit nasty. Sorry, up and get round because I can hear a car coming, which I know has got to come down this way. Let's get back in the car. Yeah. So there we go. Oh, let's shrink myself a bit. It's not working properly. There we go. There we go. So this is me back on the taxis again. Well, not again, because I've never done the taxis. I've done the private hires. I've done stuff like that, but we're back on the taxis again. And we're going to start doing videos again on how the taxis are. But like I said, I want to focus more about other things. I want to focus about my point of view instead of this is how much you can earn. Because I watch these videos, there's still drivers out there. I'm going to do this much today. I can do that much today. It's all luck. There's been days back in the day where I could make a couple of £1,000 a week. And then there was weeks where I could make a couple of £100 a week. It's all the luck of the draw. So I don't want to start doing videos giving people false hopes, which other drivers do, because I don't think it's right. It's not fair. It's not selling our trade like it should, because it's all luck. Everything about this is luck. Even with this, there's been weeks where I've done, you know, £1,000 plus, and then there's been other weeks like last week where I barely made £200. But I do enjoy it. I go through quite a lot of jobs, as you know, but it's because I get bored easy. And this one, I find it quite... I like doing it. I do a lot of account jobs. I do account jobs with certain hospitals, and the conversation I have with the customers is great, and I do enjoy it because I focus more on them. That's how I make it easy to talk to people. I ask them about them, what they're up to, their lives, and stuff like that. But anyway, that's it for my video today. We're not going to do a big long one. I have got a video coming up which I'll do in the next couple of days. I'm just waiting for a parcel, and then we'll make this a bit more homely. Now I've got to go get a taxi meter put in, get me grape light put in, and then hopefully I'll be back in work next week. But from me to you, see you soon.